Prospective employees who want to work for a kitchen. So that tip number one would be listen to your boss, listen to your higher.
Listen to people that have experience, you know.
Yeah.
You're coming into something, you're learning something new.
Yeah.
Just be open-minded.
Okay. Be open-minded. And
well, just disrespect, you know, the fact of what you're doing. Is a lot of people view it as they love what they do and they are passionate about it. Actually.
Yeah.
There's a lot of great people to learn from.
Okay. Gotcha.
Okay, they're also trying to come in there. Don't buy knives. That's the biggest joke.
Oh,
learn learn how to hold a knife. It's simple.
Oh, really?
Let's see what I got here. I buy cheap $4 knives. You gotta take this, just like this. Don't hold it like this. This is what amateurs do. This is what children and they don't. You grab it right there with your thumb there. It's much simpler. That's good knife skills.
Where's Buddy at? Sorry, where's Buddy? Oh, there he is. Okay.
He's right there.
So the second one was don't buy your own knife. Learn how to cut.
Yeah, it's important. It's something where it'll help you a lot. You'll be significantly faster.
Yeah.
You'll appreciate it in the future if you learn good knife skills.
Got it.
And then honestly, it's.
And your third tip?
Follow the recipe.
Oh, that's a good one.
You gotta follow the recipe.
Do you find a lot of normies or newbies, they like to take shortcuts, or?
Well, they're lazy.
Oh.
They think that they know. It's like, just trust me.
So the recipe's there for a reason, right?
I mean, you'll learn the recipe and then you don't have to look every time. You'll just know the recipe. But until you're at that point, it's no big deal to look at the recipe. Make sure you're getting it down 100% correct. Because nothing's better than when I get pumped up when I serve great food and stuff.
Really?
Yeah, it's as if I hit a game-winning shot.
How do you know when your food was great in the
the fact that every restaurant I've been at, it's always like 4.8 stars.
But can you see a guest when you see them smile, or do they tell you afterwards?
Yeah. Anytime you go out there to grab a pop or something, or you're out there to check something, you can see people how happy they're having a great time.
Really?
They're grabbing whatever they're eating, whatever I just prepared. So it actually does feel good.
Oh, wow.
For me,
I
take pride in what I do. So.
Nice, I
do the front of house now, but
well, there you have it, guys. This is from entrepreneur, restaurant owner, general manager Sebastian. He is one of a kind, and we're gonna try his food out here. And I want to thank you again, Sebastian, for allowing me into your home and cooking.
Friend like Todd, Enrique.
Well, thank you, Sebastian. We'll talk to you later.
Ciao.
Ciao.